Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Guys, as promised, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my bourbon and vodka vanilla extract for the very first time. I mentioned in my live last Monday night that I usually get this double strength pure vanilla extract from the Pampering Chef. It's double strength, as I said, and it costs around $50. What I did was I ordered 16-ounce amber glasses, and this is in plastic. This way I don't have to put this on a shelf and keep it out of sunlight, because the amber tint to the glass will keep it from deteriorating. I put 2 containers with bourbon and then 1 with vodka. And I took, and what's on my nails is the vanilla bean, and I just sliced them right down the center, and that allowed the alcohol to get through and extract the vanilla flavoring. And I want you to know, usually I wear gloves when I'm doing something like this, but I don't have to, because the alcohol is a disinfectant or antiseptic, and it's a way that people preserve natural products, by the way. Okay, so I'm putting 1 whole package, and that's been split all the way in this bottle, and it covers it completely. And I can just tip it off with just a little vodka. And then I'm going to put a little piece of masking tape or any kind of label and date it, okay? Because I'm going to keep this in this solution for several months. Okay, so now let's move this out the way. Here's the 2 bourbon. And what I'm going to do with these 2 bottles is I'm going to take my vanilla bean and I'm going to cut it in half. I got this also from Amazon. I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm not going to fill these jars all the way up, okay? I'll be back. So I put temporary labels on my bottles. So I'm going to put the nice labels when I actually put them in smaller bottles and give them away. But as you can see here, I dated it for today, 12/30/2020. And these are the 2 bourbon extracts. And you just need to shake it up like, once a week. First couple of days, I'll shake it every day. And then here's the vanilla vodka extract. But this one has the whole beans that are all sliced up. This one, I didn't add any beans yet because I didn't have enough. I only ordered 2 packages. So I'll order 1 more package, and I'll put half of it in here, and then I'll take the other half and divide it among all of these. Okay? Now, let me show you something about this label. And this is what I learned when I worked for a manufacturer where we made chemical hair products. The first ingredient, in fact, the first 4 ingredients is basically what the product is made of. And anytime you see water as the first ingredient, trust me, the majority of the product is water, okay? Then it says alcohol 35%, that's next. And then vanilla bean extractives. And of course, they added sugar. So when you get this bottle, I want you to know you're not getting a lot of vanilla bean extract in here like you think. It is aged and then it's diluted very well. And if this is double strength, they may put a little bit more than your cheap generic types like Best Value has a natural vanilla extract that's about $3, okay? So yeah, I'm going to make sure that these are real potent. I'm not going to add a lot of water. And when I do bottle them up in a couple of months and present them as gifts, I'll bring you back for part 2 of this video. Okay, thank you all for watching. Bye now.